What is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. So in today's video I'm going to talk about the top 5 hidden features, tips and tricks of the OnePlus Pad. Let's get started. So the number one is you have to go in settings, and in settings you need to go in special features. In special features you need to tap on taskbar and enable this is app library, and you have to also enable show taskbar at the bottom when in apps. So now what happens is, let's say you are in an app, let's say like Google Play Store, and if you will hold your bottom taskbar, you will be able to get a series of apps which you can open anytime you want. Let's say you want to open Spotify, there you go. Now let's say you are in Spotify and you want to enter into split screen mode. You have to hold the app you want to open and just drag it towards any side you want, and there you go, we are running in split screen mode. So that's how you can actually do multitasking. Now another feature which you need to know about this tab is actually, if you swipe from 2 fingers down from the top, you will get into split screen mode without any problem. So this is also an amazing feature of the OnePlus Pad. Now let's just talk about one more very useful feature of this tablet, and that is this sidebar. Now this has been enabled by default, and this is very useful if you want to quickly copy an image or something. So let's say you go in Google and you search any image like iPad wallpaper, right? You search an iPad wallpaper, and let's say you are into this website and you find this wallpaper quite useful. You can just drag it and keep it into this dock. Look at that. There you go, and it is actually saved. So these are the wallpapers I have saved. You can just quickly even open it from here. We're using any app, and there you go. So that's how useful it is. It works 99% of the time, and it is really useful. Now let's just talk about another feature. Now this is not only 5 features, I mean a lot of things which are very useful for the OnePlus Pad if you're using day to day. And that is, if you just pinch your smartphone, go into more settings. In more settings, you guys will see we have a lot of options, right? You have to go in app open animation, and you need to do it fast. And also you can enable double tap to lock. So if you have not enabled it, your screen will not lock while double tapping. But if you will enable it, it's way nice and easier to use. Look at that. Double tap to lock, double tap to unlock. Now that is also very nice. We also have one more thing which is very nice, and that is limelight. Now this feature is basically like you have in iPad OS. It keeps you in frame while doing a video call or something. So that's also really nice. Then we have kids mode as well, which will just limit your screen time and will help you to not use your device a lot more. So these are some things which I really like about this tab. Now let's just go towards some basic features which are quite useful in day-to-day use. And the number one of that is smart notification hiding. If you enable this feature, what happens is like only the notifications which are important to you will be shown in the lock screen, and else other they will be hidden. So they have to unlock your tab with the face camera, and then it will show. So that is one thing. So I guess the OnePlus Pad is a really good tablet, has a ton of features, awesome features by the way, and the smoothness just makes it even better. So that's pretty much it for today's video. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.